Hello, children. Today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson named as Clothes Are Necessity. Lesson number 17. So, in your textbook, you are seeing various types of clothings, and they have asked you which clothes you would like to wear, and you have to circle them. Then, there are many types of questions only in this lesson which you have to read and answer it on your own choice, of your own choice. You have to write the answer on your own, what you think of that question, of that clothing question, and you have to write it. So, on the first page, they have given that what you would do if your friends are having such type of clothes, which type of clothes you will like to wear like your friends, or according to the season, or are you impressed by advertisements. So number of questions are asked in this lesson about clothes. We like to wear many type of clothes. We also think that we should have the same type of clothes when we see somebody wearing, or we have gone uh, to the neighbor's place, or for an occasion, or we see in a magazine, or anywhere we have a liking for clothes. Some people, they have many clothes, but still they want to buy it, and they spend a lot of money on it. So it should not be an expenditure. It should not be a craving for it. Clothes is a necessary thing. We should spend money, or we should use it only for the need for seasons. Why did the clothes were invented in olden times? To protect us from the seasons, that summer, winter, rainy, autumn. So these clothes were created. But nowadays it has become an expenditure. People spend large amount of income, their money source, in the clothings. This should be avoided. So two types of methods are described here in the lesson, that how clothes are made. Let us see the olden time, how the clothes were made. They used to use a charkha, or the spinning wheel. Our father of the nation, that is Mahatma Gandhi, he also wore this type of clothes, that is clothes which were woven by the spinning wheel or the charkha. You must have seen the photos of our father of the nation Mahatma Gandhi, who himself weaved the cloth and he wore. Then another method shown here is handloom. That is, in homes there is a machine. You can see that man in the picture. He is weaving that cloth, and that type of weaving is known as handloom. Till today, this type of handloom made clothes are used in our country, India. It is very famous and very nice texture of clothing. It requires a great skill and also hard work. Which type of clothing is prepared in Maharashtra? That it has developed in our Maharashtra state. Mumbai is also very famous for textile mills or preparing clothing material for our for world. Then Paithani saris is famous of our nearby place near Nashik, that is in Yola. Then Aurangabad, Solapur, these famous Ichalkaranji, they are also having famous textile centers, and Paithanis are famous of our Yola. They are the saris. Then shawls are prepared, they are saying, in Aurangabad. You can read from the lesson. Then bed sheets are there of Solapur. Then handloom and powerloom cloth of Ichalkaranji are also very famous. So these are the famous clothings of Maharashtra. On page number 85, you can see the cloth prepared in the state of Maharashtra. There are colorful pictures, small pictures in the index you can see, and it can be seen in the map also, and you can identify what type of cloth is made in the state of Maharashtra and in which place. Then for now, for your homework, you will write the questions up to page 85. There are questions given from the page number 83, 84, 85. You will write the answers near the question only, in the textbook only. And when we will continue the next part of the lesson, and then you will complete the question answers in the class work. Thank you.